Breaking news. Waldo has gone missing. He is hidden somewhere around the world and we will need your help to find him. You see, the Earth is divided into lots of lines called latitude and longitude. Longitude lines run north and south. Latitude lines run east and west. The lines measure distances in degrees. The prime meridian is 0 degrees longitude. This imaginary line runs through the United Kingdom, France, Spain, Western Africa, and Antarctica. The equator is 0-degree latitude. It is an imaginary belt that runs halfway point between the North Pole and the South Pole.